Good morning. I'm going to speak about my personal presentation. My name is Milton Arbeya Maya Liscano. I am 45 years old. I'm from Colombia. I live in Neiva. I am operator of sound here in Neiva. I like to play billiard. I live with my daughter Carol and my son Juan. I am studying technology in audio production at UNAD University. My favorite TV show is Animal Planet, and my favorite sport is mountain bike. Now I'm going to speak about my daily routine. I always wake up at 5 a.m. o'clock and I get up at 5:15 a.m. Then I usually take a shower at 5:20, could be. Then I brush my teeth. I usually get dressed at 5:30 a.m. and I never have breakfast, perhaps because I don't like to eat in the morning. After that, I go to my work. I often arrive to my work at 6:30. And I always go to have lunch, and I return to my work at 2 p.m. I never have snack. I usually go to home at 6:30. Sometimes I have dinner at 7 p.m. and I frequently watch TV at night. And 2 times a week I go to ride bicycle at night, and I ride 2 hours every day. Finally, I usually go to bed at 10 p.m. Thank you.